Hi, Baguio Peeps! So today, we're gonna ask 5 random people about the Dicamay Agta language. So ano ba yung Dicamay Agta language?
So, the Dicamay Agta language is one of the extinct language here in the Philippines that is used by the Agta people, most likely the Agta people from the Bataan, Isabela, Ilocos, and Sabanas. So yeah, let's go!
Let's go, guys!
Hi, Victor. Anong name mo?
Ako po si Clark from the College of Arts and Communication.
My name is Joshua Alarin, a BA Communication major in journalism.
Hello, ako si Boris from CSS.
I am Amaze Maiba from St. Louis University.
Ako si Cristobal Madis from University of Baguio.
Biyag, alive, buhay.
Buhay? Basta ang nabuhay?
Tapos kay Death, parang ano.
Hindi siya familiar sa...
Ano yan? Di ko alam.
Wala akong
Parang hindi rin ako familiar.
Hindi ko alam. Buhay na lang.
Yung roots. Parang maliliit siya na ano, na parang trees, parang
Hindi rin ako familiar. Sorry.
Di ko din alam. Sa may soy, pagbasa.
Kasama?
pat.
So, same siya sa... parang same siya sa Ilocano na patay.
Namatay. Eh.
Ate na lang.
Kulay or fire neck, parang gano'n.
Dukot, di ba? Parang kukunin.
Oh.
Ganyan. In Filipino context, parang ganun yung implication niya sa akin.
kuha.
Similar din siya sa ano, ang sa Ilocano, parang apoy is fire.
Fire.
Hindi ako familiar.
Bato bang bato?
So hello Baguio Peeps! So ipapaliwanag ko lang naman kung ano nga ba ang kalagahan ng mga activity na ginawa natin kanina. So let's talk about the Dicamay Agta language. Now to further explain that aside from Dicamay Agta language is one of the extinct language here in the Philippines, to contextualize, the linguist Richard Rowe visited the only family who spoke the language to document and create the list of words and meanings. So the Dicamay Agta language daw is belong to the Austronesian language, and the Dicamay Agta are the language that once was used by the Negritos who resided on the Dicamay River, west side of the Sierra Madre near Jones, Isabela. So in the year 1960s daw is namatay yung nagsasalita ng language or yung speaker ng language. And by the year 1970s, nung binalikan nila ng mga linguists, they tried to find other speakers aside from sa namatay, but they failed to do so because yung Ilocano settlers ay wipe out the Agta population a year ago. And the other Agta naman is adopted ng mga Ilocano. So na-adapt na rin ng mga Agta people yung yung language na ginagamit ng Ilocano. So, ito ay isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit yung language nila is dying na rin at the same time. So, however, during sa interview natin sa 5 katao kanina, so makikita natin doon na nag-present kami ng 10 different words of the Dicamay Agta language, and unexpectedly there are some words that are familiar to them or with the same translation with their language like Ilocano. Ang halimbawa nito is yung dapan, natay, magbayag or magbayag or nabiyag that have the same meaning with the Ilocano translation. So overall, even though Dicamay Agta is considered a dying language, we can conclude that some words are still used by the Ilocanos. It's just that the last speaker died and the Agta are scattered kasi nga mayroong may makikita sa Panay, ay, tawag sa kanila is ati or ati, yan. Tapos, isa yun sa mga dahilan kung bakit naapektuhan ang kanilang language. Siguro pa din na rin ang identity nila kasi alam naman natin na ang language identity ay lagi magkakasama, even the culture itself. So, yun lang po.
Hi everyone! So yung activity namin of presenting Dicamay Agta words to non-speakers and gathering their interpretation highlights yung intricate relationship between ng language, culture, and yung identity. So by exploring how individuals outside the language community interpret these words, we delve into the interplay of linguistic relativity as discussed in linguistic anthropology. So this interaction demonstrates how yung language serves as a lens through which yung culture is understood and interpreted, revealing yung potential for misalignment in meaning and cultural context. Moreover, yung exercise na ginawa namin, it underscores the importance of preserving endangered languages katulad nung Dicamay Agta, as they are not just modes of communication, pero they are also repositories of unique worldviews and identities. Yung mga ganong activity, it align with our lessons by emphasizing that language is more than vocabulary. It is a living embodiment of culture and social connections, essential for fostering understanding across communities.
Yun lang guys! Bye-bye!